today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your images using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone who's just getting started, this guide will walk you through the steps to give your images that extra bit of flair. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. Make sure you log into your account to access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, let's move on to preparing the canvas. I've already set up an image for you on a 1080 by 1080 pixels blank canvas, which is a great size for social media posts and other similar projects. Now, with the canvas ready, click on the image to select it. You should see a floating toolbar appear at the top of the screen. This toolbar is your gateway to all the editing tools Canva offers. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will open up all the editing options you need to refine your image. One of the first things we might want to do is apply a filter. Filters can dramatically change the mood and appearance of an image. Let's navigate to the Filters section and select See All to explore the various filters available. You'll find a range of options, from subtle touch-ups to bold transformations. Choose a filter that best suits the mood you're going for and click on it to apply. Next up, we'll explore some additional creative options. Look over at the left-hand side of the screen and find the Apps tab. This section allows you to integrate additional features and effects into your design. Click on it to open a multitude of creative enhancements. In the search bar, type in Bad TV. This app mimics the static and fuzz you would get on an old television, perfect for adding a retro vibe to your image. Click on the Bad TV app from the results and then click Open. Within the app, you'll see an option named Fuzz. Select it to start applying that grainy, nostalgic effect to your image. Once you've applied fuzz, it's time to make some final adjustments to get the desired grain effect you're looking for. Use the available sliders to tweak the intensity and appearance of the fuzz until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. A step-by-step process to breathe new life into your images using Canva. By applying filters and using the Bad TV app, you can create unique and eye-catching visuals. It's all about experimenting and finding the perfect combination of effects that suit your style. Thanks for watching and happy designing!